3. Hey, how you doing today, Chad? How's the headaches treating you?
Getting them a lot.
Yeah, still?
Yeah.
Okay. How about your vision? How's that been?
Vision gets blurry with migraines, but
Okay. But yeah, you start feeling better after we get this
right, yeah.
adjustment in? Okay. All right. Okay. So I just need you just to stand up or have seated up right there. Okay. You just sit up. Good. How we doing from that? Good?
It always feels better.
All right, great. How they